finally made it. Bangkok, Thailand, Don Muang Airport.
Hello guys, we're here now in Thailand.
We took a bus to Pattaya, which took about 3 hours. The price 135 baht per person. And what's the first thing to do when in Pattaya? Take a massage. 200 baht. And what's the second thing? Eat Thai food. Of course, street food. Our first hotel was located near Second Road
Bodega Bar.
in Pattaya.
It looks like Phyllis Bar. Love, love this.
I know.
Bodega.
Yeah, these are the sausages I like. Are those sausages? No.
Hmm?
Yeah, sausages, yes. I love this. You want one? One.
Oh,
One sausage.
Sour, not sour, noodle.
Sorry?
Sour, not sour, noodle. What do you want?
sour, not sour.
Not sour.
Not sour. Is this pork or what?
Yes, pork.
Okay.
Thai accent is sometimes difficult to understand, but we managed.
They are big. In Chiang Mai, it's a little smaller. I used to get like 20 or 30.
How much is it?
20 baht, it's expensive.
20 baht? Maybe because
But
it's
I really
big.
miss these sausages. They're good.
As in, really?
We'll try.
I don't know.
And when in Pattaya, one must definitely check the walking street, the main attraction here. It is said that the Indians have taken over the street. Well, you be the judge. One of the funny activities you can do there is hit the ball and the girls will dip into water. You get 5 balls or 5 tries for 100 baht.
Watermelon and coconut smoothie.
One watermelon and one coconut.
Yes. 100. 110?
Yes.
Okay. Not, yeah. This 60 coconut, okay. Still want that
Fruit
some
shakes are the way to go when in Thailand.
Have the coins, I don't have 10. Okay. And then the next one is coconut smoothie. That's a vodka. Okay, we have fish. Okay, this is an egg. And then pork. How much? It's getting spicy.
And even sometimes the Thais has difficulties understanding English. But the price of this food is about 70 to 90 baht
How
per
much is
meal.
this? Okay, you don't understand. But these are nice and fresh food Thai. This one looks pork with basil. This one, I'm not sure if it's beef or pork with beans. And then that one is egg. This one, I think, is chicken. Maybe like a curry. This one, I'm not sure.
มาใส่นะเราอ่ะ มาใส่นะ เดี๋ยวตัดเงินเดือนเลย
Sauce.
มีลูกค้าเมาส์ไปกินหมูกระทะ
I hope you enjoyed our videos about Thailand. Be sure to check out other videos to get a full picture of our adventures here.
We have pharmacy over there. And that's our hotel, Serena Hotel. We have there's McDonald's and 7-Eleven. So, oops, this is our wonton and egg noodle soup. So we'll just check it later. So this is the wonton noodle soup with crispy pork, and that's the egg noodle soup with crispy pork
Još se
also.
slaže, ja idem po stepenice gore, a on još priča.
You like it?
Kurva.
So he likes it. Big Joe approves.
I like this meat, the red one.
Yeah, this is the pork meat that I eat with the soups also. This is really good. I don't know how they call it, but it's
It's
pork
70.
meat. But it's good. €2 for meal. It's fantastic price.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.